Welcome to day 2 of your 7-day fast track. So today I would like for you to watch the fast track orientation video and videos number 1 and number 2, marking yes that you have watched those videos, okay? Then you're going to find the 10 blue links that are right above those videos and open them and print any of those things that you might want to print. The only one I didn't print was the Phase 1 Foundation book because it's 66 pages long. But I did read it. I did read the whole thing on my phone. Then I'm going to show you in just a second when I share my screen. I want you to confirm your email and I want you to complete your profile. And then I would like for you to comment with a lean protein and a fibrous carb meal that you would like to enjoy. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So I am going to the Shibboleth website and I'm accessing the videos like this, but if you're a new member, you would see a different screen than me. You would see the dashboard and you would access your fast track videos there. But what I did just now, if you're not a new member, is I clicked on resources, foods, recipes, etc. I clicked there and then I made sure I was on the silver tab here. And then I click right over here on new member fast track. If you're doing this on your phone, then you will see a list that says topics with 3 little lines out to the right. Then you click there and you can find the new member fast track videos. Okay, so there's the new member fast track videos. I would like for you to watch the welcome and the program overview, okay? And honestly, if you are in the new member fast track, if you're a new member, then you're in that dashboard, that new dashboard that's kind of limited. You don't have everything open yet because we're trying to let you grow into this program. You're also going to see an orientation video. But if you access it right here, it goes straight to the welcome. And these are the 10 blue links that I'm talking about that I would like for you to open and look at and see which ones are important to you. Now, here is my favorite combination chart right there, the Shibboleth advanced combination chart. I like the advanced combination chart. Yes, it shows me more meal options, but I stuck in the yellow and the red columns anyway while I was in weight loss. But there is a lot more options right over there. So that is where you would find that. You're going to want to print that or screenshot it. Okay, the next thing I want you to do is go to your profile right here, and I want you to confirm your email. Now, if you'll scroll down just a little bit, see where it says my account? It has my username, and then it has my email. Mine has a green confirmed box there with a check. If yours doesn't have that, click confirm email. You will get an email. Please make sure that you get that email and that your emails don't go to spam so that you get the emails that Sasha sends out to you. Okay, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to edit your profile right here. You see where it says profile and then right next to it, it says edit in the blue hyperlink. So you're going to click there. When you click there, it's going to allow you to fill in these fields. Your username is already there, Kim Danke. My email, my journal start date, you can click on that calendar and choose that. This remove all badges would be if you wanted to completely start over your Shibboleth journey. So I would not click that right now unless you are starting over your Shibboleth journey. Click your gender, click your birthday, your Shibboleth birthday. Put your height in here. Your height should be in inches, please. Otherwise, it will not calculate things properly. Put in your goal weight. Actually, I need to change my goal weight. My goal weight when I first started was 150, but I weigh 135 now. The program worked so good, I just zipped right on by that. I had a goal deadline at the time because I wanted to go to a wedding, and I didn't quite get there, but I was on my way. This is my starting measurement weight. This is my starting neck in inches, my starting chest in inches, my starting measurement starting waist in inches and starting hips in inches. Now, I don't want to ever change those because it says starting, but you can also add your updated measurements in your journal. And then here's where you would switch your mode. So see how you can click right there? There's a weight loss mode or a maintenance mode. There's also a Shibboleth Zealot mode. I don't think you get any holidays on that program. I'm in maintenance, so I'm choosing my 12 holidays. But if you've just started and you are trying to lose weight, you would choose weight loss, okay? Video start date, that's just going to be the same date as you started your journal. Now, this would make a profile public. Personally, I would check that. It's only the Shibboleth members that could see your profile, and you get to choose in your profile if you wanted to see certain information and certain not. So I would make it public, because if you wanted to participate in any type of battle buddy or anything like that, then you would need to have that profile marked public. Coach mode is some really, really strict meals that you could do. You could start that. Eat interval timer is if you wanted to start the timer to go off at certain times, so that you say, I'm not eating before 6 hours, or I am going to fast for 12 hours, or that kind of thing. Meal countdown date, I don't even know what that is, so I don't use it. If you want to be a mentor, you can mark there. I would not mark that at this time. I'd make sure you understood everything completely. This is where you could, pick some client limits. You can make your email address public. I just don't have those things checked. And then skip phase 1 requirements. Never, never, never check that. Because if you skip the phase 1 requirements, then you're just saying you know everything already. And obviously, when we come to this program, we don't. So don't click there, please. And then I have a little biography right there, because I had marked that I was going to be a mentor at one time. So I just left that information. And then you hit save. And it saves it. So that is how you play around in your profile and look at all the data that you can find there. And that's how you confirm your email, find those 10 blue links, watch those videos, and please comment with a lean protein and a fibrous carb that you would like to eat. And I will see you tonight, actually, because we have a webinar, our day 2 webinar. This is the last webinar of the Fast Track week, but you've got your morning posts and your videos to watch. All right, see you later.